Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another maths example video here. Maths questions video actually. So today we're going through fractions, multiplication, and division, as you can see here. And remember to watch the tutorial for it, and you'll see the rules you need to use. But here are the questions, so just go ahead and pause the video, take your time, do your thing, do all of these, and yeah, make sure you can do them. Actually, if you remember, if you do them on the calculator, just to check if they're correct, remember to do everything, because these are fractions, right? They're actually decimal values in themselves. So just make sure you have your parentheses correct and you know what you're doing there, because this can mean something completely different. So remember, there's actually supposed to be parentheses here, but that's not something I'm specifying here in the questions. So just remember that this is one fraction. So go ahead and do them and check your values. When you get your final value, you can just calculate it and see if the decimal is the same as this whole thing. So the results decimal value is the same as this. And then you'll be fine. And remember to simplify in the end. So go ahead, pause it, and do your thing. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's go. Check the answers. That was quick. Yep, that was really quick. Let's go. These are the answers. So I should have actually done these with you guys, but just go ahead and I tried to make it really clear what's going on here. So simplify in the end. Always simplify. Simplify means this. You take your fraction and you see if you can shorten it down a little bit to its most simple form. So in that way you'll always get a correct answer. And this should be the same as this, should be the same as this, should be the same as this in the decimal value at the end. So what you do is in multiplication, you just straight up go and multiply the top denominators and the denominators, numerators and the denominators together, and then that gives you this. 1 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 4. You get this and you simplify it. So go ahead and do all these. Boom, 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 boom. Just the way you see here. Okay. And remember, in these multiple scenarios here, this is easy. This is all you have to do is just straight up multiply all the 3 numerators and all the 3 denominators. But when it comes to division, what you do is you invert the denominator fraction. So it becomes 4 to the power 3, or 4 divided by 3, excuse me. But you multiply it instead. So you make it into a multiplication. And in the tutorial I showed you why this happens in detail, why you can do this. But it takes away the division, makes it a multiplication, which makes it easier in turn to just go ahead and multiply straight over and to get your result here. So the same thing here, but when you have a multiplication and a division mixed in together like this in a longer chain, what you can do is you can just do this first into a multiplication like I did here, and then you could go ahead and just multiply it like this in a chain together, and then you get the end result. And you can't simplify 16 through 45 any more than it is. So I hope that gives you all the answers you need. This one was a little special as well, because 4 divided by 1 is actually 4. But I think if the teacher in the test or anything wants you to answer in fractions, you should write this. Okay, but 4 is what this is anyway, so I guess that should work as well. But I'd write this, I think. But on the other hand, I never did really good in math, so yeah, there you go. But yeah, I hope you learned something from this, and these questions and answers will be up as text format per usual. So thanks for watching, take care, and good luck, work hard, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.